Morning guys, Matt from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts here. We're out in Parkwood this morning doing a shower service for a customer. They got a lot of water leaking out of this cold water side. Taking the spindles off and had a look, and they got a large crack on the inside. So we're going to be grinding that crack down, creating a new seat for the washer to sit nicely onto. We're going to service both taps as well, new O-rings, new washers, new lubricants, and yeah, we'll check in with you when we're done. So that's just grinding the brass, taking the crack out. So we will take that out, have a look at the crack, make sure the crack has been removed. Once the crack's removed, we can then put the new washers in. As you can see, we've now ground the crack right out. There is a small crack just on the right hand side, so we're just going to have to do some more grinding just to get that small little imperfection out. Right, both taps have been serviced, no more leaks. Tap service complete. Catching with you next time.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.